8 a.m. and we just arrived at Odessa, Sacramento. We're going to go ahead and pick up one vehicle, take it to the airport, and then from here we're going to head out to Odessa Braziers and pick up a few vehicles. We don't pick up from this location very often, but they don't open until 9 a.m. We're debating on going to Odessa Braziers, taking care of those vehicles, or just waiting here for an hour. So we'll see what he decides to do. Meanwhile, he bought some new aluminum rims. He's been wanting for some time, and he found them on Craigslist. What type of rims did you get? But he's been wanting these wheels for some time. It's 8:39 and we decided to stay. He's going to go ahead and grease the bearings of the trailer. And I'm just watching the clouds move in.
I've been greasing the wheels for the past 3 minutes.
Which wheels?
The trailer on the Easy 4. Not the Mini 5, it's the Easy 4. Why do they call it Easy 4?
It's easy to load.
Oh, that's why. That's what that means.
It's 39 degrees outside.
And it's 8:39.
Tuesday morning. We're in Sacramento. We're going to pick up one car at this location at Odessa on Kiefer Road. After this, we're going to the International Airport of Sacramento here in California. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Reels Auto Transport. Drop a comment at below. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. So this is my little bag I carry. I have the Costco jumpers. Paid $55 for them. Okay, this will jump any smaller vehicle. Show you some of my tools that I carry in my truck. Lucky high impact gun. 763 brushless. Okay, and that's all you need to take off these lug nuts off your trailer when you get a flat tire. You don't want to be you don't want to be there all day trying to change a wheel. If you got like 8 cars you got to move fast with the Milwaukee impact gun.
Sounds like a commercial.
It sounds like a commercial. So, buy these on Amazon. Okay. This is a GBX 45. A dead battery, believe it or not. This will give it a jump on the
budget car rental to drop off the one vehicle we just picked up. What's nice about this location, it has the left lane here is for loading and unloading only. So it makes it convenient for transporters. It's only one vehicle, so this shouldn't take long. I'm just gonna go ahead and unstrap it. I'm gonna drive it in. I go to the gate, they tell me where to park. I park it, get signature, and we are finished. Pretty easy. Okay, we just arrived at Odessa Bracers in Rio Linda. We're gonna go ahead and pick up 2 Ford Explorers and a Kona SUV. Locate 2 of them now, take them out. He's gonna start loading, and then I will come back for the 3rd vehicle.
Okay, what are we looking for?
2 Ford Explorers, 2 of them, and a Kona. And I believe you want the Hyundai Kona now because it's going to be the smallest vehicle. It's not ours.
9466?
No. We're not having any luck. I found one of them.
First floor?
Right here.
Okay. All right, we'll keep walking. I'll follow you.
Here's the... So we found one so far. He's going to go ahead and get in that.
I'm going to verify the VIN number.
Okay, you verify. And I see another Ford Explorer. And I'm looking for 9175 in the stock number. And we have 9175. So this is the 2nd vehicle. However, as I mentioned before, he wants to take the Kona. And here's a Hyundai right here that we just passed up to look at the Explorer. The Kona is 8873 and we have 8873. This is the Kona. Do you want to take the Kona? Because you said you wanted to load it up, and I'll take this. And then that Explorer is the last vehicle.
Okay. All right. Well, put the paperwork over there. Yes, I will take the Kona.
There's the Kona. So we're going to go ahead and take these vehicles out. He's going to start loading, and I will be back.
Hey,
Yeah?
you know which one starts. Shut it off, jump on that one, see if it starts.
All right.
You're going to have to come back up by yourself.
All right. Go ahead and turn this vehicle off. Take the gate pass out of it, of course. And then I'm going to go to the other Ford Explorer.
That's right.
This is a 2021. I'm sure it'll start. And it's a key. Yep, it starts. It's 10:32. We pulled these two, the Hyundai Kona and one of the Ford Explorers. And I'm going to go ahead and take quick photos, quickly write down any issues. And then while he's loading these 2 vehicles up, I'll go back inside and get the other Ford Explorer. It's 10:57 as I went in to pull out the last vehicle. He finished strapping the first two vehicles so that he's just now we're going to go ahead and load up this vehicle. He's going to strap it down. Well, looks like we finished just in time. A big truck just arrived, and he may also be delivering vehicles. Since there was no one here, I was able to quickly drive them in, park them, and finish quickly. It's 1:36 and we just arrived back to the yard, drop off the trailer. Now we did stop at the grocery store, so it took a little longer. If you have any questions, go ahead and write them down below. And if you are enjoying this or any of the other videos, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.